my channel TCO. In my previous video, I've explained about the keyword research process. So today's video is about the process of competitors research, how we can do competitor analysis after doing the keyword research process. Okay, so in this video, you are going to learn about step-by-step process of competitor analysis manually. If you are new to our new channel, please subscribe our channel to receive more valuable content related to digital marketing. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I would like to tell you that analysis of competitor website is an important part of SEO search and analysis. Okay, so by analyzing competitors' website, you can get ideas to improve your own SEO strategies. Okay, there are various competitor analysis tools available in the market to compare the SEO metrics of a website. Okay, basically these tools are based on various SEO metrics and are quite easy to use. For example, some tools require you to enter your web page URL, the competitor URL, and the targeted keyword, and the tool will tell you how well you are ranked against your competitors for that keyword. Okay. Okay, so the first step is find your SEO competitors. Generally, the sites which are in your niche or rank well for your keywords are your competitors. The other simple way to find your competitor is to search your keywords with Google and look for the sites that pop high in the search result pages. Okay, so this is basically an easiest way to find your SEO competitors. Okay, so next step or second step is, once you have made a list of your competitors, the next step is to visit their sites. Okay, you have to visit their sites. Okay, there are many things that needs to be noticed in their sites, like quality and quantity of content, keywords or phrases, types of website, is it dynamic or static, etc. Okay, this analysis will tell you how professional your competitor sites are and how much efforts you need to put into your site to outrank them. Got it? Okay. So the third step is check competitors backlink. Okay. Basically, in this step, you'll examine the backlink of your competitors. You need to find their number, origin, and anchor text, etc. Okay. If suppose there are backlinks from some popular sites, then you can always contact their webmaster or site owners to get backlinks from them. Okay, basically in general term we call it competitor backlink analysis. Okay, some of the popular tools for backlink analysis are like Ahref, Majestic, and SEMrush. Okay, you can always use them to find the backlinks of your competitors. Okay. Next step is analyze competitors' presence on social media. We all know that social media these days are very, very essential for your SEO strategy. Okay, so basically social media are extensively used to increase traffic on your website. Okay, so you can always visit some of the popular social marketing or social networking site to see the posts of your competitors. Okay, you can also check the quantity and quality of and also the popularity of their post. Okay, as we all know, Twitter and Facebook are two popular social networking sites where you can check if your competitors are active or not. Okay, so till now, any questions further? Anyone? If you have any question, please leave your questions in the comment section. Okay, I hope everyone liked today's subject. Please watch the video again to understand the process in a better way. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos about digital marketing and SEO. Thank you. Bye.